today, I'm going to attempt to transform lots of random and boring LEGO sets into epic custom LEGO car builds. And at the end, I'm even going to surprise TD Bricks with the custom build from a LEGO set of his choice. So, let's go. So I first went to Walmart where I could find some cool LEGO sets to turn into some crazy cars. So I picked up this super random Marvel set, but I have a great idea. We got two little robots, but that means we get two little LEGO cars. This is going to be cool, because I want to make some drift cars. So I gathered all the pieces for this tiny build, and I started by making the first car, which is out of this pretty weird color, and I even used this for the wheels. Nice. Then I built up the front end of the car, and after adding a few final pieces, I could attach everything. And the last thing it needed was this blower on top of the engine. There we go. It's done. And I mean, it looks pretty cool being from a robot set. But this next one's gonna be really cool because I used this cool blue color and a crazy building technique to make these wheels. Next, I added a roof scoop on it and the windshield. After that, I'll build this little wing and attach it to the back. And with that, this little drift car is done. It's only 3 studs wide, but it's also detailed. And the Marvel set also came with enough pieces to make this, which is a light bar that looks like it would come on a cop car. So now we have a drift cop car. This is pretty cool. With these cool colors, the massive exhaust piece, I really like this car. And I even have so many extra pieces to build more. So we just turned a LEGO Robot 2-pack into a mini LEGO Speed Champions 2-pack set. And I like this car so much, I'm even gonna display it beside my GTR. These builds were great, but this next one's gonna top it. That's why I picked up this really random Minecraft set. But I have a cool idea. Using the pieces from this weird pig, I want to make a cool pink car. This is gonna be a lot bigger and more detailed than the last. So I dumped everything out, and these pieces are actually really blocky, so this could be a challenge. But just like Minecraft, I started building this car on this green base. After using some crazy building techniques, it was almost done. But of course, I just had to add the windshield, because there's really nothing you can do. I used the pig nose pieces for the grill, and I even used this clear piece for the antenna at the back. Okay, this little pink car is done, and it looks something right out of Minecraft. I actually like this build, but the next car is so much more complicated, you're not gonna want to miss it. And I even used these white blocks as headlights, and the pig nose as the grill. And adding the pig, that completes this set. I even made a little background for it. But my favorite part has to be the wheels, and I use this cool building technique that just pushes them into the fenders. No, I broke it! And a LEGO stud as a rim, and I really like it. But who would look better driving this car? The minifig or the pig? You know what? I think it matches the pig perfect. So if you remove his head, take the new lowrider, remove the windshield carefully, I think we can attach it. And after doing that, we have a driver for the new car. And I guess he fits. This is pretty cool. There's our new Minecraft LEGO car. And with this grass display, I can now put this wherever I want. And it looks like a cool LEGO mod. I guess this shows you don't even need to buy an expensive Speed Champions to make a cool car. And I even have all of these extra pieces still. This is a peaceful LEGO minifigure enjoying his day until a flatbed truck with a helicopter crushes him. And remember I told you this build's gonna be crazy? Well, it is. And you're not gonna want to miss this. The set uses some really cool colors, so I should definitely be able to make an insane car. This set is pretty big actually. For this set, I think I want to make a BMW. So now let's use all these pieces to make a crazy build. Oh my gosh. It's been so long since I haven't seen paper bags. This is a waste of paper because I do not need these instructions. I'm going to be using my brain for this LEGO car. If I use this piece here for the exhaust. Okay, I like how we have a bunch of different colors for this build. We even have some wheels this time. So I first started with the driver's side door, and then I built up the rear end with these cool taillights. Next, I even added the steering wheel with this windshield. After that, I made the engine and the grille for the front end. This should complete the car. But to add those, I'm gonna need to put this piece on so they connect properly. Now we have the grille, the engine, and now I just need to put the other grille on because this front end is absolutely crazy. Yeah, this car must have a lot of power. Okay, there we go. I attached it, and yeah, don't mind the legal building techniques. You can't really tell, right? And there's enough pieces here now where I can basically make a whole other car. But I think this one's gonna be the best. I even used all of the tiny pieces to make this crazy motor. And now the hot rod's done. After cleaning all the pieces up, it was just missing one thing, the wheels. But for this, I want to use a crazy building technique and do something pretty illegal when it comes to building LEGO, which is making the tire inside out and then putting it on the rim. It's weird, but it does make the car look a little more realistic because there's no tread. It's a drag car. It's on slick tires. So for some extra performance, you should do this to your LEGO cars. Now the build is done, this car looks crazy. It's pretty much an old muscle car with a crazy engine and no front end. But I really like how the build turned out, and you can't even tell it used to be a truck and helicopter. But literally the next car is the one that TD Bricks is gonna choose for me, so stay tuned for that. Okay, but this car is definitely the most detailed out of the whole video. It's got the engine, and it's got these lights on the side with the steering wheel that I pulled from a LEGO car. The inside's small, so does it fit the average LEGO minifig? Yeah, it doesn't even fit him inside. His legs are too long, so I guess he has to stand.
It looks like he's driving a boat now.
This looks pretty cursed. Okay, there's the LEGO car that I just transformed from this LEGO set. But now I'm having trouble choosing the next LEGO item.
Yeah, I think mine's better than these.
So I actually got TD Bricks to choose it for me. And then I'm gonna make this car crazy. So let's see what he said.
Okay, I'm at the store right now. I only have 15 minutes left, but basically, I'm supposed to find a LEGO set for Rylan to turn into a car. So let's just surprise him. He doesn't know that I'm here right now. He doesn't know what I'm gonna pick. So let's surprise him. Okay, here's the LEGO. Let's see what they got. What can bro turn into a car? He doesn't know what I'm gonna pick, so I'm gonna ship it to him and surprise him. It clearly can't be one of these because these are already cars. It has to be something that's not a car. Like, let's see. Okay, I think I've made a pick. I'm gonna go for the Minecraft creeper. Bro does not see this coming. I'm gonna ship it to him and he's gonna be surprised and he's gonna have to turn this into a car. I don't know how, but he will have to, and he's going to cook. It's time to buy this and ship it to him. He does not know what's coming. This set, it also has 600 pieces. Good luck, bro is gonna spend a long time building. But I trust him because I know he's a master builder.
Welcome down.
We got the payload, it's time to ship it to him.
Okay, what's this? Oh, yeah. I am expecting a package. Let's see what the LEGO set is. What? A Minecraft creeper.
Here it is.
This set is big and it's gonna be really hard. Alright, it looks like he actually wanted to challenge me, but let's see if I can actually do this. 660 pieces. That's about double the pieces a normal Speed Champions LEGO car has. And from looking at all these bags, I did not think I could do this, but I'm going to have to because TD Bricks believes in me. Since I said I want to build a BMW for the last car, but I never did, I want to make this car a BMW. But actually, okay, let's do this. So I started with this large piece and I want to use that as the base. I did find some cool pieces and I kind of want to add some opening doors for this build. So I got building. And this took a while. It's been a little bit, and I made the side of the car. It's gonna look really cool and just like a creeper. And I even added these opening doors that work really nice. With the 3 shades of green, this is gonna look like a BMW wrapped in a creeper. It's gonna be epic. So I kept putting these pieces together, and after looking at so much green, I finally found these 2 pieces that are different colors, and I can use these for the taillights. They perfect and match the car. And then I made this wing, because if you couldn't already tell, this is going to be the BMW E30 M3, which is one of my favorite cars. So it's perfect I can finally make it in LEGO, but it will just look like a Minecraft creeper. I added these round black pieces to look like speakers in the back. And with that, the rear end is fully done. But then I found this TNT piece, so I guess I'll just hide it in the interior for now. Then I worked on the front end. This was the hardest part. And also, I haven't showed TD Bricks the reveal yet, so you guys are going to see it at the same time as him. So hopefully he likes it, and comment down below if you guys like it, because I added these lights that make the car actually look like the E30 from the front end.
Trying to figure out a way to make the front end, but it's kind of hard actually. I ran out of all the right pieces I need. Now I'm just left with all of these little blocks. I guess that's what happens when you make something completely different from this set. But this BMW E30 actually looks like a creeper. I made the hood.
But now all I need to do is just make the hood to cover this secret engine that I haven't showed you guys yet. You'll see it in a second. Okay, that took a long time, but now this LEGO Creeper BMW is done. And I can't believe I made this from the Creeper LEGO set. But it would be impossible to make without the windshield and the fenders for the wheels. I've been adding on every car, so that's just a rule that I can break. But I guess thanks TD Bricks for giving me this creeper set to make for this car, because I did not realize how good it would actually turn out. But it was a real challenge. The creeper was a crazy choice. but it was worth it. And with these silver rims, it makes it a lot more cool. We got the lights at the front, and it's detailed all around. It looks like a BMW wrapped in a creeper. It's crazy. We got opening doors on both sides, which is really nice, using those crazy hinge pieces. A cool building technique for the lights on the front. Barely any studs showing. Oh yeah, and the engine I want to show you, because the hood can actually open. I wanted to make sure it had some moving parts like the doors, but I wanted to go crazy and make the hood be able to pop off, which reveals the inline 6 that this BMW has in real life. Okay, so here we go. This is my first time opening it, so I hope it doesn't break. And there we go. The engine looks like it's from Minecraft actually. It's pretty simple, but that's all I could do. That's just another cool feature that this BMW E30 has. All the shades of green make it look really nice. Let me know if you guys like this build. But you can't forget, it used to be a completely different build. That's why I like this car. There's the creeper, there's the E30 transformation. Let me know what car was your favorite, and subscribe.